is going to be a What's in My Backpack Part 2. If you haven't seen my What's in My Backpack Part 1, you should definitely go check that out, and let's get started. So on the front of my backpack, I have this really cute little heart keychain in the color rose gold. So I'm going to start in my big pouch. So first thing I pull out is my lunchbox, and it is Vera Bradley, same as my backpack, and it is the same exact pattern, but just in some different colors. And then I have my binder, which is teal blue, and it's really nice. And then I just put in a little picture that I colored. It's just flowers turned into a heart, which I really like. And then inside my binder, I have a nice little blue flexi roller. And then I have to take these out, but I have a pencil pouch to go in my binder. And then I have a nice little purple folder. So then I have two notebooks. I have one composition notebook and one spiral notebook. And then I also have one more folder, which is just this pretty teal blue folder. And then I have my pencil pouch. It is just a blue color. And inside I have some pencils, because you need those. And then I have a sharpener and an eraser, and then I have a glue stick. And then the last thing in my big pouch is my planner, which I actually have all of my dates whenever I'm going to post a new video. So moving on into my second pouch, I just have some rainbow erasers, and then I have some left-handed scissors. And then lastly, in the very first pouch, I only have one thing right now, and it's just a little mirror from Victoria's Secret. So guys, that just about wraps up this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video. And I will see you in my next one.